Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix program asks for UAC admin credentials every time it opens in Windows 10 or 11. Super fast and easy fix. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to go to search here, and then you just need to write UAC, and you should see change user account control settings. So what you need to do here is to press on that, and then you should see something similar to this. And what you need to do here is to basically make this little square to this little icon here that is recommended, and press OK, save changes, and your problem should be fixed. Right, so that's pretty much it what I wanted to show you. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. So take care, bye.